Before I even get started doing a video today, I want to let you see what my brother John gave me for Christmas. He gave me 2 gallons of Floetrol, the very expensive GAC Golden, 24K Deco Art Metallic. Let me see, is this, yeah, that's the warm white, here's the pure white, here we go. Deco Art Enamel Pure White, 200 cups with tops, the thin sticks, and these are plastic cups, and these are the paper cups, which I can use both. This is fantastic. I could not believe it. I was like, oh my God, why did you spend so much money? But I am worth it, I have to admit. So anyway, just want to let you know, this is going to be the beginning of my next video. Talk to you later. Bye. Hi, everybody. You know what? I stopped somehow the recording, and I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened, but I just got done mixing a bunch of paint. Thought I was recording. God, this bitch getting old, you know? I just turned 70, and it's like, whoa. Okay. In here is just simple yellow mixed in with, it's my pouring medium I'm using is glue, Floetrol, and water, and a little bit of gloss by Liquitex gel gloss. I mixed it all. This is a little purple, and then my beautiful green, love this green, and orange. Crazy colors. And then I have gold here, 24 karat gold, and I have, what did I do with it? This here is Deco Art white and warm white. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Then I have an accelerator here, which is Minwax, a teaspoon of Minwax, 2 tablespoons of Amsterdam white, 4 tablespoons of Floetrol. So what I'm going to do now is lay down some pretty lines here. I'm going to start first with the orange. This is a base coat I have down here now. Okay. And then I'll do a little bit of, I think, purple. I have no idea what purple and orange comes out like, but we shall see. We'll work together. I have a book that I usually look up things. I am really a fine artist, but I haven't done purple and orange at all at any time in my life. And then we get yellow. And I'm going to top it off with some nice pretty green. And what's nice about these cups, they'll have lids. Courtesy of my brother, John, who bought me 2 gallons of Floetrol, the GAC800, all these containers, sticks, and it's just amazing that he did all that, and I didn't even have a clue. I'm like, oh my God, are you kidding me? When he told me I had all this stuff coming, I was like, I just wanted to cry. I thought that was wonderful. Okay, this here is just, what the heck is this? Oh, this is the 2 different color whites that are, here we go. So these are enamel. That's not going to do that much here. And this here is a cell activator, of which I'm going to do a thin line. I'm going to start right here. And here. A little bit more here. Now I have no idea how this is going to turn out because I've never done this like this before. Now I'm going to take a straw and I'm going to blow it. I'm going to get my big ones out. Oops, over here. He bought me these too. And I'm going to see what transpires. It may be a total fail. We don't know. We experiment around this channel. Okay, I'm going to turn around this way. Use a coffee can. Okay, now going to pour some off this way and this way, and we're going to be doing another layer or two because I don't know where my paint's gone. So I have plenty of orange, but I'm just going to go like this, and then the purple. I'm not a fan of purple, but I do like it sometimes in a painting. I prefer lavender, which is just gorgeous. This is just too dark for lavender. Okay. And let's do a little bit of green. Love the green, I really do. And I don't need any more of the white for the enamel because I got plenty already. Let me mix this up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna try and blow that with my hands. Wow, so weird looking. I've experimented doing all the mixing because I've never used the glue before. And now I'm going to fire away because with it being the glue and a little bit of the Minwax, I can fire away. The little torch gets some cells going up. Few, not that many. Looks pretty, but see now, this is what GAC does. GAC100 will, or 800, will blend your colors together from what I've read and seen. So it's not like you're really getting major cells. So, got a few here. Let me throw some off this way. It's pretty. Not my gig though. Let me pour some around the other corner. Should be plenty on here to move and stretch. Then again, maybe not. Slow moving. So anyway, my Christmas was pretty decent. Everybody had dinner over my house. And then guess what? Didn't have to worry about putting away decorations or anything like that. And I made everybody beautiful little ornaments. And we had fun. That's all it's about, is family. You don't have to have gifts and tons of stuff. And, you know, we decided back in 2012, or no, 2002. God, it's been that long. 2002, my parents died within 7-9 days of one another. And we decided at that point, Christmases were not the same. So what we did is, instead of sitting around the tree exchanging gifts, we decided we're not doing that. We're just going to head and get what we want to get, be happy with what we got, and you don't have to return. So it comes out like that, you know. Okay, I think I'm liking this even more and more than looking at it. It's usually not something I normally like. I really like cells, but this is a beautiful, pleasant painting. Look how pretty. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let me make room on my drawing side. I'll do another one. Okay. Grab this, put it over here. Alrighty. I will show you what I did do. Bring it back up here. Let me get my, yeah, I can't believe it didn't record in the beginning. Very exciting. Okay. This here is a painting I did using Wilton's gel icing. Let me put this somewhere here, like here. Now, I hope you can tell it looks like porcelain. If you can tell by the shine, it looks like porcelain. It's really cool. If you're interested in seeing any of this, I'll be more than happy to do a video on it. But it's Wilton gel icing, if you can believe. It's crazy, but it came out absolutely gorgeous. Then on these wood panels, this one here, they say it looks like snake, but here's the gold. Came out absolutely gorgeous. But this is not using GAC. This is getting cells galore and using the enamel white. Isn't it pretty? Look at this from far. Here we go. And I have a video on this too, if you want to take a, I think it's number 49. And then this one here. These are all like 47, 48, 49. This one here people absolutely love. It's got the gold. I love the gold. So I thought I might be doing one like this, but I decided to mix the GAC with the glue all. I don't get it why people use glue all now. I'm just not going to use that anymore either. So, and I didn't have any cracking. It's crazy. And then this one here, oh my God, I just love the blue in this. The blue is just like, it almost looks like a granite, you know, granite countertop. I love the glue. These are all dry, no problem with the drying. It absolutely perfect. Kind of looks like clouds up here, you know. Mountains, snow. You have to let your imagination run wild when you see this type of art. I didn't finish up the backs. And as far as hanging these, you could actually use one of those things that go on the wall and you can take them right down. You know, you don't have to use a hook or anything. And if anybody's interested, let me know. Message me. But it only goes to show you that timeless can be any age. Art can be any age. You don't have to be a teenager to enjoy it and do it. This is another one I did. Just 8 by 10. And it's gorgeous. Look at the cells. Isn't that beautiful? I fell in love with this. Oh my God, it's like so cool. And then there's others over here too that I love just doing all types. This is with the enamel. Isn't that gorgeous? Live in hot Florida, so you know we have hurricanes. That's what reminded me of it. It's my favorite. One of my favorite. Actually, every one I do is my favorite. So, I have a few of these, which this one is just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the cells. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to probably do another one. Maybe something like this tomorrow. Maybe not that particular design, but maybe with these cells like this, with the cell activator. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at them. Nice little gleam, shine to it. I love, love, love these. I got a couple more I want to show you, then I'm going to hang up. And then, where are they? Here they are. reason I'm hot, and I don't know why. I guess because the air hasn't been on, because it's cooler outside. I love this one. It's one of my garlic pours. I use the same color that a garlic looks under a microscope. But look at that, it's gorgeous. Look at the cells. Love, love, love. And this one is another pastel one. Just a simple one. Pastel. Anybody who has a pastel room. Major Shelley cells here. Look at it. So anyway, my new name, Timeless Art, because any age can do it. However, my page is for adults only. Kids are not to be on this channel because I am using chemicals. I'm using Floetrol. Sorry about that. I got cut off because my Slotomania kicked on for me to get my bonus. So I shall hang up. And this is Jenise Brown, otherwise known as Jenise410. And you'll find me at Timeless Art. For all people, really. Timeless Art by Jenise Brown. Okay. Have a great night and weekend. Bye.